Patrick,
What?
I thought of something funnier than 2024.
Let me hear it.
2025.
And with that, the 2025 season comes to an end. Good night.